Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oak blocks in Islands Roblox. First, you will need to gather some oak wood. Head out into the game world and find the distinctive oak trees. Equip your trusty axe, whether it's a basic one or something more advanced, and chop down these trees. Once they fall, be sure to pick up all the oak wood that drops. You'll need plenty of this raw material to begin your crafting journey. Now that you have a good supply of oak wood, the next step is to turn it into oak planks. Head back to your island and place a crafting workbench if you don't already have one. Interact with the workbench to open the crafting menu. Look for the option to convert your raw oak wood into planks. Remember, each single piece of oak wood you collected will magically transform into 4 useful oak planks, so gather plenty. With your inventory full of oak planks, it's time for the final step, crafting the actual oak blocks. Go back to your trusty workbench and open the crafting interface once more. This time, you'll want to look for the building materials section. Find the recipe for oak blocks and select it. You'll notice that each sturdy oak block requires 4 of your oak planks to create. Start crafting and watch your building supplies grow. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted oak blocks. Now, what can you do with them? Oak blocks are incredibly versatile and strong, making them a fantastic choice for all your building needs. You can use them to construct sturdy walls, expansive floors, or solid foundations for your island creations. They offer a classic, natural look that enhances any build. Get creative and start designing your dream island with these essential blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.